Okay, I have a basic soup recipe that involves taking ground beef and browning it with salt, or sauteing the onions and browning it with onion in it. And then I'll add some garlic for a short period of time. I haven't done that yet. And then I'm going to add 4 cans of diced tomatoes with basil, oregano, and garlic. That's the way the cans come. And I'll add a cup of water, or a can of water for every can of diced tomatoes I put in here. So there'll be 4 cans of tomatoes and 4 cans of water added to this, and that is the base for almost every soup that I like. It's a tomato based soup, and we use all kinds of veggies in these soups. So that's what I'm going to do the microgreen soup with also. Alright, that's where it comes up, a little over halfway after you add the tomatoes with basil, garlic, and oregano. And now we're going to put in the microgreens, and we're going to let that simmer for about 30 minutes or so. And what we're creating is a very hearty stock. Now you can add a little bit more oomph to it by adding some bouillon or some beef stock to it. That's up to you, but what we're going to do is we're going to add this now. Okay, potatoes are ready. The soup is boiled and ready for potatoes. These won't have to cook much longer. I'm using the chopper and I'm cutting them up in a smaller size here. I'll just throw them in, and that'll be it. Let it cook so the potatoes are soft, and soup will be ready. Potatoes added. Added 3 stalks of celery as well. That's pretty much it for the video. Just got to cook it up till the potatoes are soft, and that is my soup. Doesn't it look good? That's it. Soup is done, and I have tasted it, and it is really, really good. If you use the basic like I did, you can pretty much use any vegetables in there. But I don't know, this microgreen soup, it seems to be even a little better than the average. The wife really, really likes it. So that's it for the soup. So I need 2 cups of microgreens. These are sunflower black oils microgreens, and I need 2 cups of these for the bread. Let me process these and put 2 cups aside. So that first go yielded about a cup. I got to do it one more time. It's pretty neat. This way it chops them up fine like that. Okay, here's 2 cups my wife Gina is going to use to make the bread, microgreen bread. And it just sounds gross, doesn't it? Microgreen bread. Anyway, I'll let you know what it tastes like when we're done. So now I've got the rest of the microgreens from the 3-pound flat. We did a salad, we did a soup, we're going to do bread, and this is going to be also chopped up to this fine level, and we're going to add that to a tomato based soup that we both like. Here is the microgreen bread. It's very similar to how my wife makes zucchini bread, and I didn't go through the process because she was doing it all the way she always does, but we substituted microgreens in place of zucchini, and I love her zucchini bread. I don't know what this is going to taste like yet. I'll do a taste test for you, but right now I'm going to put up the recipe for you. Here is the bread finished. Now I'm going to cut into it and tell you what I think of it. A little slice of it. There you go. I won't turn around because I'm not prepared to be in a video. My hair is a mess and I'm in my jammies, but I'm gonna let you listen to me. That is super good. You guys have got to try this. If you like zucchini, well, I don't even know if you like zucchini bread or not. My wife's recipe for zucchini bread is very outstanding. And this is equally outstanding, I think. It's got nuts and all that stuff in it. Well, you've seen the recipe. That is so good. She made 2 of these. We're going to give one to her mom and dad. Maybe. Maybe.